good Chinese in Romford, it's always best to wheel your toms in the trolley, because toms are very full, aren't you, toms? There we go. So we're going to have a nice leisurely stroll back to the car. We're going to go back to the Mario Kart. Ta-ta, darlings. Ta-ta. What the hell was the top on CCTV?
Are you not going to push him really fast?
No, I'm enjoying the stroll. Oh, fuck.
Oh fuck, he's going to go to the car. He's going to go into Dave. What? In front of Dave. Where's Alex? Alex! Oh. Alex, you've been filmed.